Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Hulu account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Hulu account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in hulu.com like this and hit enter. Or you can just search for Hulu login on the Google itself and hit enter. And from the first tab we had entered the direct web address of Hulu itself, and we are on the home page of Hulu, whereas on the second tab we are on the search result of Google. Now to log into your Hulu account, you can see the hulu.com account, sign in over here, click over there, and after that you can see this is the login page of Hulu, whereas from the home page you can directly log into your Hulu account from the login option available at the top right corner of the screen. Click over there and a similar kind of dialog box to the website over here will open, and but the process to log in on both of these websites are same. You'll be required to enter your email ID over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on login to sign into your Hulu account. Or if you have forgotten your email or your password, simply click on forgot your email or password to go through a procedure to retrieve your email or password depending upon which one you lost. And if you have not yet created an account on Hulu, you can see the start your free trial option available over here. Click on there and you will be taken to the sign up procedure of Hulu, and there you will be given a 1 month or a 3 month period time of Hulu. After that you will be required to pay them for granting you services. And then guys, this is how you log into your Hulu account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.